In this video, you will learn 5 things that garlic water can do to improve your overall health in ways you never expected. For thousands of years, garlic has been used in traditional medicine because of its potent health effects. Even scientific studies have proven time and again that garlic is beneficial in treating and preventing several human illnesses. That includes heart disease, digestive issues, and even cancer. What's good is that you don't need to consume a whole lot of it to enjoy its benefits. How to take garlic water. Take half a clove of raw garlic and flush it down with a whole glass of water. Do this first thing in the morning and when you have not consumed anything else. In doing so, you're able to maximize its effects. Health effects of taking garlic water daily. 1. Better digestion. In a study published by Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine in 2014, garlic is cited as a traditional medicinal plant with a variety of therapeutic roles in the human body. Among others, it supports digestive health. By improving gut health, it allows for better nutrient absorption. It also helps encourage a healthy bowel movement. Additionally, it helps treat a variety of digestive issues, including bloating and acidity. 2. Improved cardiovascular health. Many studies and research reviews have already covered the positive effects of garlic consumption on heart health. Among the most relevant ones include a study review led by a researcher from Germany's University of Munich. In the review, the researcher noted how the general effects of garlic, including lowering cholesterol, blood pressure, and glucose, is essential to preventing, treating, and controlling cardiovascular disorders. 3. Clearer skin. According to an article published by the National Integrated Health Associates, garlic is remarkably effective as a detoxifying ingredient. It helps the body get rid of toxins through a compound called sulfhydryl. As you take garlic, you're able to cleanse your blood and body. That leads to some health benefits, including clearer and healthier skin. 4. Higher resistance. In 2015, AYU published an in vitro study demonstrating garlic's potent antimicrobial effects. By consuming it, your body can fight against common diseases like the common cold and flu. In the study, garlic also proved to be effective in fighting common but serious bacterial pathogens, including K. pneumoniae and E. coli. 5. Lower risk of cancer. In 2003, Phytotherapy Research published a study concerning the antioxidant effects of garlic. Through this study, the researchers found that taking small doses of raw garlic has incredible effects on fighting free radicals in the body. That doesn't just make it an excellent food for slowing down the aging process, but fighting cancer. Generally, the most impressive anti-cancer effects of garlic consumption are on cases of stomach and colon cancer. Because of garlic's pungent flavor, it might not be too appealing to try this. However, the science-backed benefits far outweigh any uneasiness you might feel about the taste. Besides, once you gulp down the water, you'll hardly notice the garlic. What you'll notice are the cumulative health effects you'll get from such a small and inexpensive effort. Following our study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.